Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1. India eyes Scorpene customer for AIP Module export. Mazagon Dock Limited, that is MDL, an Indian shipyard, has announced plans to integrate the DRDO's developed air independent propulsion system on the first Cavalry class submarine, which is scheduled for completion and refit within the next 2 years. Next, Indian MOD aims to boost weapons exports and improve shipbuilding efficiency. The Indian Ministry of Defense is actively working towards establishing India as a prominent weapons exporter in the global defense sector. While the country has achieved significant success in recent years, it still holds a relatively small share of the market. In a strategic shift, the MOD is now focused on exporting weapon systems that offer higher value, including domestically developed warships for the Indian Navy. Next, Egypt seeks Indian support to diversify weapon systems. Egypt, one of the leading importers of Russian weapons, is actively exploring alternatives to reduce its dependency on Russian-made weaponry. With India and China emerging as potential options, Egypt is keen to seek support from India to maintain and supplement its existing arsenal of Russian-origin weapon system. Next, Safran provides briefing to India's AMCA team in Paris. The Indian team, led by Debabrata Roy, the project director of the High Thrust Engine Development Program for the Indian Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, recently received a briefing in Paris from French aerospace major Safran. Mr. Roy, who also heads the Advanced Technology Projects and the Gas Turbine Enabling Technology Initiatives, that is GATET, program of GTRE, visited the Paris Air Show, where he was updated on the development of a new engine for India's AMCA 5th generation fighter jet program under Project Infra. Next, Indian Navy officer patents innovative indigenous gas turbine design at INS Shivaji. In a remarkable achievement, an Indian Navy officer stationed at INS Shivaji in Pune has recently patented an innovative indigenous gas turbine design. This development adds yet another feather to the cap of esteemed naval institution. Next, India is set to become Naval Logistical Hub for Indo-Pacific region with US collaboration. In a strategic move aimed at bolstering regional maritime security and strengthening cooperation, the US has announced plans to transform India into a key naval logistics hub for the Indo-Pacific region. The collaboration between the two nations holds immense potential for enhancing operational capabilities and promoting stability in the maritime domain. Next, NASA and ISRO collaborate on NISAR, a synthetic aperture radar with unprecedented potentials. NASA and ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, have joined forces to launch the NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, that is NISAR, an innovative satellite system with immense potential. The collaboration between the two space agencies bring together cutting-edge technology and expertise to unlock a new era of remote sensing and scientific exploration. Next, India-US drone deal will bring nations to India's doorstep, ex-bureaucrat. Describing the defense agreement signed during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's US visit as historic, former Defense Secretary Ajay Kumar said several countries using Predator drones are likely to come to India for maintenance and overhauling. Thank you.